Hello. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn about trigonometry, that is, measurement of angles. Here we see we learn about trigonometry today. Now you see we learn about measurement of angles. You see here measurement of angles. In measurement of angles, there are three systems. One is sexagesimal system, centesimal system, and the third one is circular system. First one we will learn about sexagesimal system. Sexagesimal. Sexagesimal system is also known as English system. And in this sexagesimal system, the angle is measured in degree. And the second one is centesimal system. And this is known as French system. And in centesimal system, we measure the angle in grade. And the third one is the circular system. In the circular system, we measure the angle in radian. And this is our SI system. SI means System of International Units. First of all, we learn about sexagesimal system. Sexagesimal system. And it is known as also English system. and it is measured in degree. How we define this degree? Suppose we have taken a right angle triangle. Suppose this is 90 degree. If we divide these angles into 90 equal parts, then each part is 1 degree. Here you see that is number 1 is one right angle. Is equal to 90 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Or you can write it as 60 minute. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This is the sexagesimal system, and what is also say as English system, right? And number P, what we learn about is centesimal system, that is French system. Centesimal system, or we also know about it as French system. It is also known as French system. In the French system, this angle is measured in grade. Again, if we take a 90 degree angle, A, O, B. In the case of centesimal system, one right angle is equal to 100 grades. I can write it as 100 grade. One minute or you can write as one grade equal to 100 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. Therefore, here you see that in centesimal system, it is also known as French system. It is measured in grade. One right angle equal to 100 grades, and one grade is equal to 100 minutes. and 1 minute equal to 100 seconds. And this is what we call it as centesimal system or French system. And now we learned about the circular system. And this is the SI system, right? Number 3 is circular system. Now we learn about the circular system. And this circular system is the SI system, and it is measured in radian. The angle is measured in radian. Now define the measurement of radian. Suppose we have taken a circle. This is the circle, and this is the center. Center we have taken O, and if we take another from O to A, that is the radius. And if we take the distance of an arc, suppose AB, the length of arc AB is also R. Then the angle subtended at the center, that is, this is also R. Therefore, we can say that angle AOB is equal to 1 radian. This is angle 1 radian. And this is a constant angle. Radian is always constant. Now here you find that there is a relation that's pi radian equal to 180 degree. Therefore, you can say that is 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Now, if we draw a circle, suppose this is the center, and we divide it into each 30 degree. Suppose this is 0 degree, this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, and this is 270 degree. Now we divide it into each at 330 degree. Suppose this is 30 degree, and this is 60 degree, this is 90, and this is 120 degree, this is 120 degree, and this is 150 degree, 150 degree, and this one will be 210 degree, this is 210 degree, and this one is 240 degree, 240 degree, this is 270, and this one is 300 degree, and this one is 330 degree, 330 degree. Now if we write this degree in radian, then it will be pi 30 degree is pi by 6. This is pi by 6. This will be 2 pi by 6. And this will be 3 pi by 6. 90 degrees 3 pi by 6. Now you can write it as pi by 2. Pi by 2. And 120 degrees 4 pi by 6. 4 pi by 6. That will be equal to 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. And 150 degrees 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. 180 degrees 6 pi by 6. 6 pi by 6, or you can say it as pi. 210 degree is 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. And 240 degree 8 pi by 6. 8 pi by 6. Or you can write as 4 pi by 4 pi by 3. 270 degrees 9 pi by 6. 9 pi by 6. Or you can write it as 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. 310 degrees 10 pi by 6. 10 pi by 6. Or you can write as 2 5 10 2 3 6. 5 pi by 3. And 330 degrees 11 pi by 6. 11 pi by 6. And this is 12 pi by 6. 12 pi by 6. And that will be equal to 2 pi. Now here you see that is pi by 6. Pi by 6 can be written as pi, or it is pi. 7 pi by 6. 8 pi by 6 4 pi by 3. And 270 degree is 3 pi by 2. It is 5 pi by 3. 11 pi by 6, and this is 2 pi. This is the relations what we know it in circular system, that is SI system, and it can be measured in radian only. A radian is the SI unit of angle. We use this very much, but our centesimal system is not used much, but we can use that one also, right? These are various measurement of angles. One is sexagesimal system, that is English system. It is measured in degree. Number 2 is centesimal system. It is a French system. It is measured in grade. And the third one is a circular system. That is, it is measured in radian, and it is the SI system of units. In sexagesimal system, one right angle is equal to 90 degree. You can see here. In sexagesimal system, one right angle is equal to 90 degree. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. In centesimal system, it is a French system, and the unit is grade. In French system, one right angle is equal to 100 grade, and 1 grade equal to 100 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 100 seconds. And the last one is circular system, and it is SI system, and it is measured in radian. The angle is measured in radian. Here you can see we measured, if we take a circle, this is the radius. If we take an arc AB of the same length as radius, and if we measure the angle, this angle is constant, always constant. And this is what we call it as 1 radian. That is, angle AOB is equal to 1 radian, or it is a constant angle. And there is a relation that pi radian is equal to 180 degree, right? And we have made this circle. This is 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 150, 180, 210 degree, 240 degree, 270 degree, 300, 330 degree, and 0 again, or 360 degree. This is 360 degree, right? Therefore, what you get that pi by 6 means 30 degree, 2 pi by 6, or 2 pi by 6 can be written as, or pi by 3, and that is 60 degree. And pi by 2, that is 90 degree, 2 pi by 3, 120 degree, 5 pi by 6, that is 150 degree, and 6 pi by 6, that is pi or 180 degree. 7 pi by 6, that is 210 degree. 8 pi by 6 or 4 pi by 3 is 240 degree. 3 pi by 2 is equal to 270 degree. 300 is 5 pi by 3 and 330 11 pi by 6 and 2 pi is 360 degree. And whatever we get in this relay sentence, we will use this pi radian equal to 180. This is very important. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Whatever you want to find, there is 1 radian. You can find that 1 radian. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. 80 degree by pi. Therefore, we want to find pi by 6 radian. Therefore, if we find pi by 6 radian, pi by 6 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi into pi by 6. Therefore, we are getting pi will cut 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 0, therefore 30 degree. And here you find that pi by 6 radian equal to 30 degree. In this way, we found that in trigonometric measurement of angles, there are 3 systems: sexagesimal system, centesimal system, and circular system. Right? And we have explained it very clearly about these 3 systems, that is sexagesimal system, centesimal system, and circular system. And the most important thing that circular system, we measure the angle in radian, and this is the SI system. What is the meaning of SI? SI means System of International Units. And this is very important relation that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. And 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. And you can find any radian. Pi by 6 is equal to 30 degree. Right? If you want to find pi by 2, what is the pi by 2 radian? Pi by 2 radian. Pi by 2 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi into pi by 2 into pi by 2, pi cut 22, 90 degree. Therefore, pi by 2 is equal to 90 degree. That means we convert one system of units to another system of units, right? And in this way, the circular system and the sexagesimal system is very much used in trigonometry and in geometry and trigonometry and also in physics also. These are the various ways in which we can measure these angles, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you.